Good morning, student. Today we are going to read the chapter 5 in geography. This is class 8. The name of the chapter is industry. As you know, the chapter has finished. And now today we are going to study the exercise time. Means we are going to solve the exercise MCQ type questions, true false, match the column and fill in the blanks. These questions we will re-study today. Okay, and after that I will give you the PDF of that questions and you will complete that exercise in your book. Okay, so let's start. The first question is choose the correct option. Okay, here the questions are given 1 2 3 4 5 in the further page also, and there are 4 options of every questions are also available here. Okay, so you will tick the correct answer. Correct here. I will explain you. In which of these places is Silicon Valley located? Bengaluru, California, Ahmedabad and Jaipur. As you know, Bengaluru is called the Silicon Valley of India. Okay, Silicon Valley of India is Bengaluru, but Silicon Valley it is originally located in California in USA. The correct option is California. Okay, because California located in the USA, United States of America. In that place the correct option is California. Second one, which of these can be termed as sunrise industries? Means what is the meaning of sunrise industries? Iron and steel, information technology, cotton textile, pulp and paper industries. Among our 4 industries, which one industry is also known as the sunrise industries? So information technology, this is the correct option. Okay, information technology मतलब IT industries are called the sunrise industry. The correct answer is this. Which of these is a natural fiber? Here is nylon, jute, acrylic and cotton. Okay, here's 2 option is correct, cotton and jute. B and D, cotton, jute and cotton, both are the correct answer. So you will tick anyone. You will tick cotton as well as the jute because both are the correct option. So okay, so I am here making the cotton correct, but you can also correct the jute. In which of state of India is Jamshedpur located? You know, Jamshedpur is the very famous for iron industry, steel industries. Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha and Chhattisgarh. Among of them, the Jamshedpur is located in the Jharkhand state. So next question. Which of these emerging center of IT industries? As you know, in India, in the term of IT industries, Bengaluru has the top position, and further that more other cities are increasing, they are growing in the term of IT industries. Among of them, which is growing in very high speed? Okay, Lucknow, Gurgaon, Faridabad and Dehradun. The Gurgaon is the correct option. Gurgaon located in Haryana state. Okay, Gurgaon is located in Haryana. The correct option is Gurgaon. Now, true false. The pure melted iron is blast furnace is called steel. This is true. ये मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था. I was already taught you that. Computer is the most important factor in the growth of IT industries. It is also true because in the IT industry, in the information technology, the main factor, main equipment which is used, that is computer. So it is correct. Bengaluru is called the Valley of Herzlite. This is false. Bengaluru is called the Valley of Silicon Valley. Bengaluru is called Silicon Valley, but it is given here Bengaluru is called the Valley of Herzlite. The Valley of Herzlite is Kashmir. Okay, but here is Bengaluru is given, so this option is false. Ahmedabad is located along the Sabarmati river in Gujarat. This is true. I have already taught you that. Pittsburgh in the USA is the largest producer of steel industries. It is also true. Match the column. Agro-based. Agro means agriculture-based industry is which of them? Sugarcane. Because sugarcane, we get the sugarcane from the agricultural areas. So agriculture-based industries is sugarcane. Public sector. Public means governmental sector. NTPC. Okay? NTPC is the public sector. Joint sector. Maruti Udyog, this is joint sector because this is the share of private Indian government as well as the other government also. Cooperative sectors, Suddhki. This is the cooperative sector. Cooperative sector means the sector where the people produce the materials, the product go on shelf and sold into the market. Next one, fill in the blanks. The steel plant at Jamshedpur are example of iron industries. The option is iron. Most of the cotton cloth produced in India is in Gujarat. Ahmedabad is called the Manchester of India. Here is Ahmedabad, you will fill up. And large sum of raw material required to set up a industrial unit. For set up industry, the first priority is availability of raw material. Okay, so that's today. We are complete that exercise. On tomorrow, we'll study the brief questions. Thank you.